LG's WebOS remains largely unchanged from previous years, but, if it ain't broke, why fix it? That said, you can expect the same intuitive and highly responsive smart platform that still uses a launcher bar along the bottom this time around. Here you can choose from various streaming services and connected devices, as well as other features such as the gallery, which has been expanded this year, content store and web browser. There's also a very useful recommendations service that can be accessed by moving the Magic Remote cursor to the right-hand side of the screen. This monitors your viewing habits and makes recommendations based on a predictive algorithm. WebOS is incredibly easy to use, but despite its inherent simplicity you'll find all the UK catch-up services thanks to Freeview Play, as well as Now TV, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and YouTube. The latter three include support for 4K, HDR and, in the case of Netflix, both Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. If you're looking for other ways to control the C8 besides simply using the Magic Remote, there's the option of LG's Effective Remote app. There's also voice control, which uses a microphone built into the Magic Remote and has been upgraded this year with natural language processing, making interaction more conversational. It's actually quite effective and can prove very useful, especially when searching for content. When voice controlling the TV, there are also simple guidelines built in that can be accessed using the appropriate button on the remote. The improved voice control is part of ThinkAI, which is a proprietary artificial intelligence technology that LG has added to WebOS this year. It is based on the Internet of Things, IoT, and uses Think Open standard control protocols to enable its TVs to communicate with other devices that support Think.